श्री एस.के. राठौर के जीवन में शिक्षा और नवीनता का महत्व बचपन से ही सर्वोपरि रहा है। इसका ज्वलंत उदाहरण है सैनफोर्ड वर्ल्ड स्कूल, जिसने प्रिपरेटरी स्कूल्स की परिभाषा को ही बदल दिया। सैनफोर्ड का नाम देश के प्रारंभिक स्कूलों की सबसे तेजी से बढ़ती श्रृंखला के रूप में जाना जाता है। आज देश भर में इनके करीब 110 स्कूल्स हैं, जिनमें 2000 से अधिक लोग कार्यरत हैं और अगले 5 सालों में ये 200 से अधिक प्री स्कूल्स और 25 सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स खोलने का इरादा रखते हैं।
My life has found its purpose in shaping minds, in working with children, and success to me is making the future of children a success. I take the pledge to continue to work to prepare our children for the toughest of the scenarios that they may have to face in the years to come. I will continue to work as many questions remain unanswered, as many lives are still to be transformed and many minds are yet to be shaped.
Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, Entrepreneur of the Year, Education Sector, and the award goes to Mr. S.K. Rathore. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap and welcome him. Managing Director, Sanford Group of Schools. Well, he's the founding president of an Early Childhood Care and Development Educators Association, which is a voluntary organization working for the welfare of preschools, daycares, educators, and young children. Congratulations once again.
Good evening. This is a proud moment for us. This is 19th award we received in last 6 years. We started Sanford 6.5 years back, and today we have 110 branches across the country, and we have 53 branches in Delhi NCR. We received 6 national awards, and last month itself I was honored by IBN 7 as Entrepreneur of the Year in Education Sector. So this is the achievement what we are received, and we started with a mission to provide quality early childhood education to all the children in different from the different part of the society. That's why we are reaching to the small town of the country, and we are committed to provide early childhood education and giving good days to the students. Thank you very much.
The next award is fastest growing preschool chain in India, Stanford Group of Schools.
Is to develop and re-energize existing technology service sector, entrepreneurs, educational sectors, I think every sector that we can actually think of. So ladies and gentlemen, without a further delay, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. S.K. Rathore, Managing Director, Stanford Group of Schools. So please come on stage and share a few words.
Good evening. See, education is the services which is required from the beginning at the age of 2 years to the lifelong. So this is the gift of God to me, which is given me the opportunity to serve small children of the age of 2 years, started from the age of 2 years and up to the 12th standard. See, education is the field. Many people say the education industry. Yes, this is industry, but this is services more. So when we talk about the services, quality of education, passion towards the education, then business happen itself. I started my first preschool in 1999 with the help of my parents and my wife. And after almost 10 years of hard work, experience, research in the field, we launched our preschool at Sanford. And today we have 110 schools across the country. We out of that we have 4 senior secondary schools, and we have very strong presence in the most competitive market of Delhi with 53 schools. Our work is recognized by many organizations, and we have been awarded for 16 times till now. And our cover story is published in all the leading magazines and newspapers. So this is the kind of appreciation we got from all the peoples, and I believe I will continue my passion in the same field for lifelong and try to give my best possible services to the society. Thank you very much.
We'd now like to invite on stage Mrs. Noor Aisha, Founder, Director, ICRA International School. Please come on stage and share a few words.
To the next award, this is the Women Entrepreneur of the Year in the Education Sector, and the award goes to Mrs. Kavita Rathore. Mrs. Kavita Rathore, the Founder Director of Sanford School, being recognized as the Women Entrepreneur of the Year in the Education Sector.
We are from Sanford Group of Preschools. We started first preschool in year 2000, and we started brand Sanford in 2009. Now we have more than 80 preschools across the country. See, in future, for next 3 years, we are having planning for the expansion of our brand across the country. Recently, we have our branches in more than 16 states. We'll try to cover up every corner of the country in next 3 years and reach a number of 200 branches across the country.
सैनफोर्ड वसुंधरा प्ले स्कूल ने सोमवार को दिल्ली के कमानी सभागार में सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया, जिसमें बच्चों ने गणपति पूजा के साथ पारंपरिक भारतीय विवाह का मंचन फिल्मी गानों की धुनों पर करके दिखाया। इस मौके पर गुरु जितेंद्र महाराज मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में मौजूद थे। इस सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम में नन्हे बच्चों का डांस ही नहीं बल्कि बच्चों के अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत कुछ था। खुद गुरु जितेंद्र महाराज ने अभिभावकों से अपील की कि वो बच्चों से बात करते वक्त पेशेंस रखें।
Yeah. भारतीय प्ले स्कूल्स आजकल फॉरेन एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं और अपने पाठ्यक्रमों में व्यापक बदलाव ला रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं इसी पर हमारी एक रिपोर्ट। पहले स्कूल एजुकेशन और अब प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन के क्षेत्र में भी ऐसे स्कूल्स की संख्या बढ़ रही है जो विदेशी शैक्षणिक संस्थाओं से जुड़े हुए हैं। ये स्कूल्स विदेशी संस्थाओं के टीचिंग स्टाइल और पाठ्यक्रम का अनुसरण कर रहे हैं।
In our schools, you have seen yourself in our school. This is totally play concept. We have lots of toys for the children. We have educational concept. We have smart classes also. We have animals, zoos, dollhouse. So we have all, whatever we want to teach children, we have concept for that. So this is our main USP, to give them play environment so that children feel to come to school themselves only. Our curriculum is accredited by British School of Early Childhood Education, which is in UK. That's why we write the UK concept preschool chain. So this is we are the only preschool in country whose curriculum is accredited with them. This is also one of our best part.
इतना ही नहीं, टीचर्स का प्रशिक्षण भी विदेशी संस्थाओं के द्वारा ही किया जाता है। मल्टीनेशनल्स का बड़ी संख्या में भारत आगमन, विदेशों से भारत की बढ़ती नजदीकियां ऐसे स्कूलों की मांग को बढ़ा रही हैं और ये स्कूल्स तेजी से भारत में अपने पांव पसार रहे हैं।
We started almost 6 years back, and with the mission to provide value education to the small children of the age 2 to 4-5 years, and take this type of education which is available in big cities to the small towns also. So now when we started in 2009 December with first branch in Vasundhara, then many of the parents approached us to start with us. So now we take then franchise route to expand our network, and now we have more than 80 branches across the country.
ऐसे स्कूल्स भारतीय प्री स्कूल से थोड़ा अलग हैं, इसीलिए अभिभावकों को काफी लुभा भी रहे हैं।
to the next award. This is the Women Entrepreneur of the Year in the Education Sector, and the award goes to Mrs. Kavita Rathore. Mrs. Kavita Rathore, the founder director of Sandford School, being recognized as the Women Entrepreneur of the Year in the Education Sector.
We are from Sandford Group of Preschools. We started first preschool in year 2000, and we started brand Sandford in 2009. Now we have more than 80 preschools across the country. See, in future, for next 3 years, we are having planning for the expansion of our brand across the country. Recently, we have our branches in more than 16 states. We'll try to cover up every corner of the country in next 3 years and reach a number of 200 branches across the country.
The next award is fastest growing preschool chain in India, Stanford Group of Schools.